Hey, Angus here. I'm just going to do a quick rundown of some of the best products that I have for Rolling Square. So Rolling Square is this kind of life hacker brand that has these sort of electronic accessories to make your electronic life easier. I'm going to tilt the camera down here so we check this little thing out. So this is the Hyphen Ara headphones, and the thing about these is they're air conducting, so they prevent hearing loss. So you can listen to music, listen to podcasts without ruining your hearing, which is a really big problem with headphones. These are great, but these are by far the most expensive products, so I'm not really gonna include these in the rundown because they're a very different product. These are an actual product, where the rest of these things are actually things that you add to your already existing product. So these are my actual keys for the car. This is called the Tau. I think this one's actually the Tau 2. And this is just a little charging pack. So you can see the size of it compared to car keys, so it's absolutely fine. You pop this off and you've got a lightning connection here and you got a USB-C connection here. So you can plug that in and plug your phone in this side if you want, or there's enough charge in here. Also comes with a cool little clip that I don't have that sticks on, and you just clip it to charge it. So you can hang your keys in the hallway, keep this puck charged. And this thing, I didn't think I would use it as much as I do, but I use this all the time. It's also, you could use it to charge your headphones, for example. So if you're in the car, you pop that off, pop this on, plug that in, and give your headphones a charge, give your phone a charge, especially if you're just one of those days where you haven't had a chance to charge your phone and plug it in. So that is absolutely cool. This next thing is called the InCharge cable. They do a longer cable and a shorter cable, but I really think the shorter cable is cool. They do some color options. I like this garish green color. And what this is it's a 6-in-1, they're saying, charging cable. So take this little protective stopper off, and this is held together with a magnet, so you can use this on your keyring or put this on your backpack. The fabric cable is gonna last forever, it clicks together. So you got USB-C-A here, you click this off, you got USB-C here, you got lightning on this side, and I think they said this is a micro USB-C inside there. I don't know if you can see that, it's got a little hole in there. That's wild. I don't have anything that goes on, but that's cool. So you can charge USB-A to lightning, or you can charge USB-A to USB-C, or you can go USB-C to USB-C, or USB-C to lightning, or to micro USB-C. Super, super handy. Actually, super handy to have in the car because you normally have one of these adapters in the car. So if you need to charge your phone, really, really cool. And again, just slips onto the keyring there, magnet together, put the rubber stopper on to keep it safe. Also for data transfer, if you just want a little short cable from, say, your computer to your phone, if you're doing quick data transfer, and you've always got this with you. Super, super handy. Last but not least is actually the first product I got from Rolling Square, and it's this called the Edge Pro. As you can see, that's quite stiff and it stays wherever you put it. So I've got this in the gym, so that connects to my shelf. It's got a wireless charging puck. I put my phone there. That wireless charging puck comes off. You can put that there. You can side mount that onto the side of your laptop and click your phone there. There's also a light accessory that comes with little discs that you can put all over the place, so you can click that in various areas. That just as a stand, as a camera stand for my phone, absolutely wicked. So I do have a 10% off everything on the Rolling Square website. I think it's a 20% off everything on the Rolling Square website. Go check them out. I've been pleasantly surprised with the quality and the usefulness of these products.